Hello everyone, we're out here in the south, well actually in the southeast. We're close to the entrance of the Air Force Base, Kirtland Air Force Base. If you ever wondered, well, what type of property qualifies for an REC, technically they all do, but there's some specific situations that you want to go for using an REC. Specifically this one right behind us right now, it's half gutted, no electricity, and looks like at one point it was flooded or there was mold. So it's most of it looks like it has been taken out. So there's bare walls. So anyway, this one, uh, it's listed fairly expensive. Uh, they want 40,000 down, 12% interest, and a short-term loan. So anyway, this would be a great investment for anybody looking to invest in a rental. Possibly not sell it, just because the cost is going to be fairly high at 40 plus whatever the cost is here. So anyway, this one would be a great buy and hold property. Uh, Given the area, it's pretty calm. So this this is neighborhood. This is the property. We're gonna go inside. As you can tell, looks like they started it. It has new windows, but see, this is why you would want to use an REC. Looks like there was roof damage, so obviously this doesn't qualify for conventional financing, and obviously it has no flooring, so this is a perfect situation where you might want to use owner financing if you're a seller. You can get rid of it, and someone else can take on the liability of basically making it a really nice property. So the property is pretty big. We're walking through it now. I'll post the link and the address here shortly. I'll post it, and you guys can see all the pictures online. It's actually pretty damp in here. So this is the backyard. So this one could actually be used as a very nice rental. And this would be, as I said, this would be, oh look, there we go. That looks like it needs some attention. So maybe not all of it, but if you guys do come and want to see this in person, probably might want to do a mask. So it does need some attention. So most of it has been gutted. Looks like there was a roof problem. So this property in particular is for sale, owner financing or cash. No, maybe even a 302k loan, which is a renovation loan, and that way whoever buys it can take care of all that and get it up to livable standards, and either sell it or rent it out.